Also known as the Little Europe of Tokyo, Jiyugaoka is the perfect place to stroll around if you want to feel that European vibe. This sophisticated neighborhood is located in the south part of Meguro, Tokyo, and is just a 5-minute walk from Jiyugaoka Station. The area has a shopping complex with European-style boutiques, hair salons, stationery shops, pet-friendly cafes, restaurants, flower shops, and a lot more. It even has a lovely Venetian-style bridge over a beautiful canal, which is very relaxing to look at. Looking around, you would notice how aesthetically pleasing every corner is, thus making it obvious why you would see a lot of people posing for photos. And although the area is designed in such a beautiful European style, it still incorporates that Japanese feel to it at the same time, which makes the place even more unique.